how to download a video on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can download a video from TikTok. So let's get started. Simply open up TikTok on your mobile phone. So it will take you to your For You page. And here we can actually scroll down to get different videos. Let's say that I want to download a video. How you can do that? It's really easy. You just simply, watch the video. Now, let's say this is the video I want to download. Simply click on this share icon right here and it will open up different settings for you. Now you can see this video does not have a download option, so I will not be able to download. So let me actually find the one which actually has a download open. So maybe this is the video I want to download. Click on this share icon and you will find the save video option right here. Click on save and you will see that my video has been saved to my gallery and I have downloaded the video of my choice. And this is how you can simply download video from TikTok. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.